Dispensation of repair. The most comforting realization for me is realizing from the beginning of God considering the making of man, there was the consideration of the work of repair to restore mankind from a great loss. I think of the Lord giving Moses a view of his glory, which fully revealed the controlling principles by which the Lord God in three persons function. Exodus 34:6. And the Lord passed by before him and proclaimed, the Lord God, merciful and gracious, long-suffering and abundant in goodness and truth. Exodus 34:7. Keeping mercy for thousands, forgiving iniquity and transgression and sin, and that will by no means clear the guilty, visiting the iniquity of the fathers upon the children and upon the children's children, unto the third and to the fourth generation. The constant love I identify from the Lord God is God's comfort in warning man of the relationships and actions to be avoided and stopped if ongoing. Exodus 34:12. Take heed to thyself, lest thou make a covenant with the inhabitants of the land whither thou goest, lest it be for a snare in the midst of thee. Exodus 34:13. But ye shall destroy their altars, break their images, and cut down their groves. Exodus 34:14. For thou shalt worship no other God, for the Lord, whose name is jealous, is a jealous God. Having the experience on social media, I am encouraged by the power of truth. First of all, the Godhead must have the preeminence of being first in consideration of that which he is at all time, and the word and spirit of truth's leading. Truth destroys and breaks down the enemy's weapons, and the Godhead in three persons keeps truth before trusting, willing, and obedient mankind. The Lord God gives encouragement as to the actions he shall take to reward our faithfulness and regarding our resistance against the works of the enemy. Exodus 34:10. And he said, Behold, I make a covenant before all thy people. I will do marvels, such as have not been done in all the earth, nor in any nation, and all the people among which thou art shall see the work of the Lord, for it is a terrible thing that I will do with thee. Exodus 34:11. Observe thou that which I command thee this day. Behold, I drive out before thee the Amorite, and the Canaanite, and the Hittite, and the Perizzite, and the Hivite, and the Jebusite,